Miss Patty. How are you today? I hope you're doing good. I've got a book that I wanted to read you guys today. Some of you might remember this from November when we read it in class. So this book is called The Doorbell Rang. These words up here are the title. And this book is by Pat Hutchins. Pat Hutchins is the person who wrote the words and drew the pictures. She was the author of the words and the illustrator of the pictures. What do you see on the cover? What do you think this book is about? Do you see the kids and the mom? Where do you think they are? They are in the house. So let's see what happens. Oh, here is a clue about what happens or what might happen. Do you see what Mommy has on her tray, what she's holding in her hand? What is that? It's cookies. So maybe this book is about cookies. Let's see. I'm going to turn the page and open my book. I've made some cookies for tea, said Ma. Oh, yummy. Good, says Victoria and Sam. We are starving. Share them between yourselves, says Ma. I made plenty. See, she's got the tray of cookies, and look. Do they look excited? I think they look excited. They counted the cookies. That's 6 each, said Sam and Victoria. They look as good as Grandma, said Victoria. They looked with their eyes. They smell as good as Grandma, said Sam. And they smelled with their nose. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma as the doorbell rang. I wonder who's going to be at the door. Who do you guys think? Let's see. It was Tom and Hannah from next door. They're 2 friends. Come in, said Ma. You can share our cookies. Oh, there's 2 friends and 2 more come. That's 4 friends. That's 3 cookies each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma, said Tom. And they look as good as your grandma, said Hannah. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma as the doorbell rang. Uh-oh, who's it gonna be? It was Peter and his little brother. What do you think Mom's gonna say? She's gonna say, come in and you can share the cookies. Oh, wow, there's 4 friends and 2 more come. Let's see how many friends that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You could share our cookies, says Ma. That's 2 cookies each, said Victoria and Sam. They look as good as your grandma's, said Peter, and they smell as good too. See, they're sharing cookies at the table with their friends. That's so friendly. Nobody makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma as the doorbell rang. Uh-oh, there's more people. What are they going to do? Are there going to be enough cookies? I wonder if they have enough. Let's see. It was Joy and Simon and their 4 cousins. That's 6 friends, and there's already 6 friends. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 friends. Do they have enough cookies? Do they have enough to share with the new friends? Do you think they should share? Let's see. Come in, said Ma. You can share our cookies. We have enough, she said. That is 1 cookie each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma, said Joy. They look as good as your grandma, said Simon. Everyone looked at the beautiful, yummy-looking cookies. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma as the doorbell rang. Uh-oh. What are they going to do? What do you think they should do? They only have enough cookies for each friend to have 1. There's 12 cookies and 12 kids. What do you think they should do? I don't know. Let's see what they're going to do. They let the doorbell ring some more while they thought. Oh dear, said Ma, as the children stared at the cookies on their plates. Perhaps you better eat them before we open the door, she said. But Sam said, we can wait. That means we can open the door. We can wait, he said. Oh, that was friendly to wait. Sam opened the door, and Grandma and Mom opened the door, and it was Grandma. And what does Grandma have? She has an enormous tray of cookies. How nice it is to have so many friends to share the cookies with, said Grandma. It's a good thing that I made a lot of cookies, she said. And no one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma as the doorbell rang. I wonder who's at the door this time. Do you guys know? Is it more friends wanting more cookies? What do you think? See, they waited. They waited and they were sharing the cookies with their friends. It's nice to share the cookies with their friends. Well, thank you for reading the book with me. I'll see you guys later on Zoom. Bye, friends.